Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 2.3 Ecoboost engine is a powerful turbocharged four-cylinder engine that has found a home in various Ford performance and utility vehicles, including the Mustang Ecoboost, Focus RS, Ranger, Explorer, and Bronco. It's designed to offer high performance comparable to larger displacement engines while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency. Review and opinions. The 2.3 Ecoboost is generally praised for its strong performance, responsiveness, and impressive torque. In vehicles like the Mustang Ecoboost and Focus RS, it provides a very engaging driving experience, feeling potent across the rev range. Many appreciate its ability to deliver V6-like power from a four-cylinder package, contributing to better weight distribution and agility in some applications. However, its reputation isn't entirely spotless. While not as universally problematic as the early 1.6L or some 2.0L EcoBoost engines, the 2.3L has had its share of reliability concerns, particularly in earlier models and high-output applications like the Focus RS. Advantages: high performance. Delivers substantial horsepower and torque, making it suitable for sports cars, trucks, and SUVs. Strong torque delivery. Thanks to a twin-scroll turbocharger, it spools up quickly and provides a broad, flat torque curve, resulting in excellent responsiveness. Relatively fuel efficient. For the power it produces, it can offer respectable fuel economy, especially on highway drives. Compact and lighter. Being a four-cylinder, it's lighter than a comparable V6 or V8, which can improve vehicle handling and weight distribution. Versatility. Its robust design allows it to be used in a wide range of vehicles with varying demands, from performance coupes to off-road SUVs. Disadvantages and faults. While generally more robust than some smaller EcoBoost siblings, the 2.3 EcoBoost has known issues. Head gasket failures, early Focus RS. Some others, this is the most infamous issue, particularly with early 2016 to 2017 Focus RS models. A design flaw in the head gasket, sometimes attributed to incorrect gasket usage during manufacturing, could lead to coolant leaks into the cylinders, causing misfires, white smoke, and potentially engine damage. Ford issued a recall and extended warranty for this. While primarily associated with the RS, some other early 2.3L EcoBoost engines also experienced head gasket or overheating issues. Carbon buildup. As a direct injection engine, it is susceptible to carbon deposits on the intake valves. Over time, this can reduce airflow, leading to decreased performance, rough idle, misfires, and reduced fuel efficiency. Turbocharger issues. Like all turbocharged engines, the turbocharger itself can be a point of failure, especially if not properly maintained, e.g., incorrect oil, extended oil change intervals, aggressive driving without proper warm-up/cool-down. Symptoms include whining/whistling noises, loss of power, or excessive smoke. Spark plug and ignition coil failures. These components can wear out, especially in higher mileage vehicles or those driven hard, leading to misfires, rough idling, and reduced power. Coolant leaks, general beyond the specific head gasket issue. Other components of the cooling system, hoses, water pump, radiator can develop leaks, leading to overheating if not addressed. Breakdowns, common causes. Breakdowns are often linked to the faults mentioned. Engine failure, catastrophic failure due to a blown head gasket, especially in affected Focus RS models, or severe, prolonged overheating. Loss of power/limp mode could be triggered by turbocharger malfunction, severe carbon buildup, or misfires from ignition issues. Overheating, due to coolant leaks or a failing cooling system. Important note: for used 2.3 EcoBoost vehicles, especially early Focus RS models, it's crucial to verify if any head gasket recalls/fixes have been performed. Fuel consumption. Official EPA or WLTP fuel consumption figures vary significantly based on the vehicle and specific tune. For example, a Mustang EcoBoost might be rated around 20 to 22 mpg city and 28 to 31 mpg highway, US. An Explorer with the 2.3L EcoBoost might be around 21 mpg city and 28 mpg highway, US. Real-world fuel consumption can deviate, especially in performance applications. Driving the engine hard will significantly increase fuel consumption. Owners of Mustang EcoBoost or Focus RS models often report averages closer to 20 to 26 mpg US in mixed driving, with highway cruising potentially reaching into the low 30s. More sedate driving in an Explorer or Ranger might yield slightly better results. Timing. The Ford 2.3 EcoBoost engine uses a timing chain to drive its camshafts. Timing chains are generally designed to last the life of the engine and do not have a prescribed replacement interval like timing belts. This offers a maintenance advantage. However, like any component, a timing chain or its tensioners can stretch or wear over very high mileage, potentially leading to rattling noises. Regular oil changes are vital for chain longevity. Oil. The 2.3 EcoBoost engine typically requires a 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil that meets Ford-specific WSS M2C specifications, such as WSS M2C946A, WSS M2C946B1, or WSS M2C961, A1 for newer versions. Always check the owner's manual for the exact specification for your vehicle's model year. Using the correct oil and adhering to recommended oil change intervals, typically every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first, or even sooner for hard-driven vehicles, is crucial. This helps manage carbon buildup, lubricate the timing chain, and protect the turbocharger. Oil capacity is usually around 5.4 to 5.7 liters, 5.7 to 6.0 US quarts, with a filter change depending on the specific vehicle and year. Versions. The 2.3 EcoBoost engine has been offered in various power outputs and configurations depending on the vehicle and its intended use. 270 PS, 266 horsepower, /310 lb-ft torque. Common in the Ford Ranger and Bronco. 310 PS, 306 horsepower, /350 lb-ft torque. Standard in the Ford Mustang EcoBoost. 350 PS, 345 horsepower, /350 lb-ft torque. The high-output version found in the Ford Focus RS. Up to 300 horsepower, /310 lb-ft torque in a Ford Explorer and Lincoln Corsair /MKC. Newer iterations, sometimes referred to as second or third generation 2.3L EcoBoost, have seen revisions like the addition of port injection alongside direct injection, PFI plus DI, to help combat carbon buildup, and updated cylinder milling, modular power cylinder. History. The 2.3 EcoBoost engine was introduced around 2015, debuting in models like the Lincoln MKC and the 6th generation Ford Mustang. It was designed as a larger, more powerful four-cylinder option within the EcoBoost family, building upon the success of the 2.0L EcoBoost. Its most notable application was in the 2016 to 2018 Ford Focus RS, where it was specially tuned to produce 350 horsepower. However, it was also in these early Focus RS models that the prominent head gasket recall, often referred to as the Block 8 issue, emerged due to a manufacturing defect. This issue led to significant customer dissatisfaction and tarnished the engine's early reputation, despite its impressive performance. Ford addressed the head gasket issue through recalls and revised manufacturing processes. The 2.3 EcoBoost continues to be a key engine in Ford's lineup, particularly for vehicles where a strong four-cylinder is desired over a V6 or V8, such as the current Ranger and Bronco, benefiting from lessons learned and continuous improvements. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.